Whether you're an electrician, a DIY enthusiast, or a hobbyist working with electronics, having a reliable wire cutter is essential. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 wire cutters on Amazon, tools that offer precision, durability, and performance for all kinds of projects. Let's start with the IGAN 170 Electronics Flush Cutter, a standout for electronics work. This compact tool is built with heat-treated carbon steel and features ultra-sharp blades capable of cleanly cutting wires up to 18 AWG spring-loaded design, and narrow jaws allow it to maneuver easily into tight spaces, making it a favorite among circuit board technicians and model builders. What makes this cutter so effective is how effortlessly it slices through thin wires without crushing or fraying them. Whether you're trimming component leads or snipping delicate signal wires, the IGAN 170 provides consistent, clean results. It's lightweight, affordable, and rated highly for longevity and control. Next on our list is the KLEIN Tools Wire Cutter and Stripper, which offers a combination of cutting, stripping, and looping functions in one professional-grade tool. Designed to handle both solid and stranded wires, this cutter can work with 10 to 18 AWG solid and 12 to 20 AWG stranded wire. It also features screw shearing holes and a serrated nose for gripping and pulling wire. This makes it ideal for residential electrical work, installations, and maintenance. Electricians particularly appreciate the spring-loaded handle and textured grip, which reduce hand fatigue during repetitive use. Made in the USA and built to withstand job site wear and tear, the KLEIN 11055 is more than just a cutter. It's a versatile multi-tool trusted by professionals. At number 3 is the FISKARS Precision Wire Cutter. Known for its ergonomic soft grip handles and clean cutting ability, this tool is ideal for craft, jewelry, and light-duty wiring work. The angled blades offer precise cutting of various wire types, including floral, beading, and decorative wire. Its spring action mechanism makes it easy on the hands, especially during extended use. Hobbyists and crafters love how comfortable and sharp this tool is, and the lifetime warranty from FISKARS ensures long-term reliability. While it's not designed for heavy electrical work, it excels in small, detailed tasks where precision and comfort are critical. The 4th wire cutter on our list is the BOOSDEN Diagonal Side Cutter. This tool is a great all-rounder for cutting soft copper, aluminum, plastic ties, and similar materials. It features spring tension for ease of use and a non-slip rubber grip that enhances comfort during long sessions. The diagonal blade design makes it versatile for both flush and angled cuts. While it may not be as fine-tuned for ultra-precise electronics as the IGAN or as multifunctional as the KLEIN, the BOOSDEN is a strong performer in home repair, crafting, and mid-duty jobs. Its affordability and sturdy build make it a smart addition to any toolkit. Finally, we have the TRUECABLE Precision Sharp Flush Cutter, a 5-inch tool designed specifically for clean, flush cuts in tight spaces. It features hardened carbon steel blades with perfectly aligned jaws, making it ideal for copper wires up to 16 AWG. This cutter is commonly used by network cable installers and electronics technicians who require ultra-precise cuts without damaging the wire insulation or conductors. The internal spring and vinyl handles ensure a comfortable grip and excellent control, even during delicate trimming work. It's particularly helpful when terminating Ethernet cables or working on detailed circuitry. Professionals appreciate its sharpness, compact size, and the consistency of its flush cut.